When a customer rolls into your shop asking for a pre-purchase inspection on a used electric vehicle, it's not your typical oil, check, and brake pad scenario. EVs come with their own quirks, and as a trusted technician, you've got to know what to look for to protect your customer and your shop's reputation. Here's what to focus on during a thorough used EV inspection. Battery health is king. Let's face it, the battery pack is the heart and wallet of any EV. A degraded or damaged battery can mean thousands in replacement costs. Check the state of health, or SOH, via the vehicle's diagnostics. Most models like Teslas, Nissan Leafs, and Chevy Bolts offer battery health data either through the infotainment system or an OBD-II scan tool with the right software. Look for signs of excessive capacity loss or abnormal cell voltage variances. If the SOH dips below 70%, that's a red flag worth mentioning. Also inspect for signs of physical damage, corrosion on terminals, or leaks. Yes, leaks. While rare, coolant leaks from thermal management systems can spell big trouble. Make sure the charging system is functional. Test the onboard charger by plugging the car into a level 2 charger and verifying proper connection and charging rate. Check the charging port for wear, contamination, or damage. A faulty charging system could leave your customer stranded, and the repair bill could be hefty, especially for proprietary parts like CCS connectors. EVs are heavy, thanks battery packs, and that extra weight is tough on tires, suspension, and brakes. Look for uneven tire wear, worn bushings, and degraded shocks or struts. Inspect the brake rotors for excessive rust. Since regenerative braking handles most deceleration, traditional brakes can get neglected and develop corrosion or pitting. EVs are rolling computers, so make sure all systems power up properly. Lights, infotainment, driver assist features, cameras, and sensors. Check for software update history. Outdated firmware could limit functionality or even safety. If available, scan for error codes using a compatible diagnostic tool to spot hidden issues. Thermal management system. It's not just for comfort. Cooling systems in EVs don't just keep passengers comfy, they also regulate battery temperature. Inspect coolant levels and look for leaks. If the system has been neglected, it could cause battery overheating, reduce performance, or permanent damage. A used EV inspection isn't just a box to check. It's your chance to help a customer make a smart buy. By focusing on the battery, charging system, mechanicals, electronics, and thermal system, you'll not only provide peace of mind, but also show that your shop knows how to handle the future of automotive. And hey, when that customer decides to service their EV, they'll know exactly where to come.